Hello students, most welcome to all of you. In today's video lecture, we are going to study the topic carbon and its compound, in which we are going to learn or we are going to study one of the most important point of that very chapter, that is ethyl alcohol, and IUPAC name of that compound is ethanol. Chemical formula is CH3CH2H or C2H5OH also. So children, as the name organic compounds, and we are very aware from the point that organic compounds are very useful for us in a number of ways, as most of them in the form of fuel, as a medicine, as a detergent, as an explosive, as a perfume, as in the form of cosmetics. So in regard to organic compounds, the ethyl alcohol or ethanol is also one of the most important organic compound which we are going to learn. So in this point, we are going to learn how this very compound is prepared, what is the physical and chemical property of the compound, and what are the uses of this very compound. So let's start how this ethyl alcohol or ethanol is prepared. Alright. So method of preparation. Before dealing method of preparation, I want to explain you what is the structural formula of ethanol. So structural formula of ethanol can be written as this one: CH3, C, H, H and OH. Okay. So this is the structural formula of the CH3CH2H, containing 2 carbon atom, 6 hydrogen atom and 1 oxygen atom. All are attached with a single bond, in which OH is an alcoholic group. OH is an alcoholic group, means OH is a functional group present in the form of alcohol in this very compound. So how this is prepared? So important method of preparation of ethyl alcohol or ethanol is that when ethine, you have heard the name of one compound, this one, CH2 double bond CH2 is termed ethene, or it is simply called ethylene. This one, when treated with concentrated sulfuric acid, must remember this CONC stands for concentrate. When this compound is treated with concentrated sulfuric acid, resulting the formation of this very compound CH3CH2 HSO4, and this compound is nothing, it is called, children, ethyl hydrogen sulfate, or it is also known as ethyl bisulfate. In second step, this formed ethyl hydrogen sulfate. When warmed or treated with warmed water or with steam, when this formed ethyl hydrogen sulfate is treated with warm water or with steam, resulting the formation of ethyl alcohol CH3CH2H and H2SO4 gets removed. So this is we have to prepare. This is called ethanol. So this is the ethanol. This is oil. All. So ethanol must have distinction between ethanol and ethanol. If the compound is CH3CHO, it will be ethanol. So here Al stands for aldehyde group, and in which CHO is a functional group, but here OH is a alcoholic group in which all represents the alcoholic compound ethanol. This is the difference between ethanol and ethanol. Clear? Alright. Now come on the physical properties of ethanol. Physical property of ethanol. So first property, ethanol or ethyl alcohol is a colorless liquid at room temperature. Okay. Second point, ethanol alcohol or ethyl alcohol have a characteristic alcoholic smell and burning in taste. Means this ethyl alcohol or ethanol is a having alcoholic smell and it is burning in taste, as well as ethanol is a volatile substance. Next property, ethanol or ethyl alcohol is completely miscible or completely soluble in water in any proportion. Alright, once again listen. Ethyl alcohol or ethanol is completely miscible or completely soluble in water in all proportion. And next property, the boiling point of this compound ethanol is 78 degrees centigrade or 351 Kelvin. The boiling point of this ethyl alcohol or ethanol is 78 degrees Celsius or 351 Kelvin. Okay, and so these are the physical property. Now come on the chemical property of this very compound. What are the chemical property of this ethanol? So this compound is very important. You have to study this compound in class 12 also in detail. There one topic is given as a ethanol. So here just you have to know about general things about ethyl alcohol or ethanol, but they are given in detail. So first chemical property is a combustion reaction. Combustion reaction means when ethanol is treated with air or oxygen, gets converted into carbon dioxide and water along with heat and light. So thus this reaction is known as combustion reaction, and the reaction of this compound can be given like as. Reaction is very important. You have to remember it. This is ethanol or ethyl alcohol. When gets treated with oxygen, this is oxygen, then it gets converted into carbon dioxide and water along with heat and light. H stands for heat, L stands for light, and you can balance it. This is 2 and this will become 3 because there are 7 oxygen, so 4, 3, 7 oxygen. Next reaction, this is combustion. Second reaction, that is write down. Second reaction is your action with sodium metal. Action with sodium metal means action of ethanol with sodium metal. So when ethanol or ethyl alcohol is treated with sodium metal, then immediately hydrogen gas is liberated. Along with that, a byproduct sodium ethoxide is formed. These reactions of ethanol is very important, so you have to remember it by writing, by doing the practice. So reaction of this reaction can be given as, that is CH3, CH2H acting with sodium metal. This is your ethanol, this is your sodium metal. When they react, resulting the formation of this one, and hydrogen gas is liberated, and this compound is known as sodium ethoxide. Must remember the name of the compound. Formed compound is sodium ethoxide. So CH3CH2ON or you can say C2H5ONA is the formula of sodium methoxide, which is an important compound, and which along with hydrogen gas is liberated. Next reaction is with write down action with acetic acid. Action of ethanol with acetic acid, and formula of acetic acid is CH3COH. So what happens when ethanol gets treated with ethanoic acid or acetic acid in presence of concentrated sulfuric acid, resulting the formation of one pleasant smell containing compound called ester, and this reaction is known as esterification reaction, which is a very important reaction. Many times question comes that what do you mean by esterification reaction? So your answer will be when ethyl alcohol gets treated with ethanoic acid or acetic acid in the presence of concentrated sulfuric acid, resulting the formation of ester and water, then such type of reaction is known as esterification reaction. Alright? Right, the reaction can be given like as CH3, CH2OH, this is your ethanol, this reacts with ethanoic acid, or it is also known as acetic acid. Or also you are saying vinegar. So acetic acid, vinegar, ethanoic acid, the IUPAC name of this compound. When it gets treated in the presence of concentrate sulfuric acid, this is concentrate sulfuric acid, then a pleasant smell compound and a very important compound ester is formed, like CH3, COO, CH2, CH3 plus water. So this compound name is, children, ethyl ethanoate. Ethyl ethanoate, which is an ester, and this reaction is known as esterification reaction. Must remember, this reaction is known as esterification reaction, which is one of the most important reaction of this topic. Many times question comes, what is esterification reaction? Now write one more reaction, that is dehydration reaction. One more point, dehydration reaction of alcohol. This is also very important for you. Often question comes that what do you mean by dehydration reaction of alcohols? So must remember, when ethyl alcohol is treated with concentrated sulfuric acid at 443 Kelvin, must remember the condition. The conditions are very essential for the reactions. So when ethyl alcohol is treated, this is your ethyl alcohol or ethanol treated with concentrated sulfuric acid at 443 Kelvin. Must remember, in degree centigrade 160 to 170. In degree centigrade the essential temperature is this one, but in the case of Kelvin scale it is 443 Kelvin when heated. Then what happens? This sulfuric acid removes the water present in alcohol and forms an unsaturated hydrocarbon called ethene or ethylene, and reaction is called dehydration of alcohol. This one, children. So this is CH2 double bond. CH2 is what? It is an ethene or ethylene and water is removed. So removal of water from alcohol under the presence of concentrated sulfuric acid is called dehydration reaction, and this is also a very important reaction. You have to remember completely. Okay, so this reaction is called dehydration reaction. Now come on the usage of ethanol. Some full question comes from this point. What is ethanol? How it is prepared? What is physical chemical property? And what is used? So first use. Ethanol is used as a solvent in laboratory, as a laboratory reagent. First use, write down. Ethanol is used as a laboratory reagent. Second use, it is also used as a biological specimens. It is also used in biological specimens. Next, it is a good solvent, like for that is paints, for varnishes, and for other cosmetics. And other use, this ethanol is also used as a fuel in the form of solvent petrol. Means when ethyl alcohol get mixed with petrol, that it become mixture of solvent petrol, and that is used as a fuel. Okay, so these are the some uses of that is your ethanol. And one more point you have to study about same point, that is what is the meaning of absolute alcohol. 3 points are there, means there are 3 forms of alcohol. One is absolute alcohol, other is called rectified alcohol, and one is called denatured alcohol. Denatured alcohol, or it is also called methylated spirit. Okay, so what are these? Listen, absolute alcohol is that alcohol which is 100% pure. Listen children, the alcohol which is 100% pure, or that form of ethanol, or that form of ethyl alcohol which is 100% pure is called absolute alcohol. And what is rectified alcohol or rectified spirit? So this is also a very important used in a commercial point of view. Commercially, this rectified alcohol is very important, and it is a mixture of 95% ethyl alcohol, 95% ethyl alcohol, and 5% water. Means when ethyl alcohol is mixed with a small amount of water, then that is called a rectified alcohol, which is used as a commercial way as a rectified alcohol. Okay, and next is denatured alcohol is what? Or methylated spirit. So listen, as in this usage, you have written that these alcohols are, means ethyl alcohols are used in the form of beverages. So the ethyl alcohol which is made unfit for drinking. Listen, what is denatured methylated spirit? The ethyl alcohol or ethanol which is made unfit for drinking by using some chemical substances like methyl alcohol or pyridine. Means these are the poisonous substances. By using some chemical substances like methyl alcohol or pyridine, then that type of alcohol is known as a denatured or methylated spirit. Once again listen, the alcohol or ethyl alcohol which is made unfit for drinking by use of some chemical substances like methyl alcohol and pyridine, then that alcohol is called denatured alcohol. So must remember children these points. These are very important, very essential for you. Must remember them. Alright, very important. So this is all about ethyl alcohol or ethanol. God bless you. Have a tremendous day.